if you want a preview of how your Word document is likely to look as an ebook, you can use Calibre to convert it. Now I've got Calibre up here. If you don't know where to download it, it's in the previous section of this course under the resources. So I've downloaded it, I've installed it, and in order to convert something, I'm going to click Add Books up here, and I'm going to select the docx document. Now this is really important. Calibre cannot convert old style Microsoft Word documents. It's got to be the newer version of Word. If you've got an older version of Word, like Word 2000, 2003, it's not a problem. You can install the extension pack, also in the resource guide in the previous section. And that extension guide will allow you to open and save newer versions of Word. So just bear that in mind. It's got to be a docx extension. So I'm just going to open that. Right, it's adding it to the library. Now it's up here. And what I can do with that now is I can convert this book to a different format. So I just click on Convert Books, convert individually. You can do it in bulk if you've got several. And up here I can select the output format. And I want the output format to be EPUB, say. Now EPUB is something that, for instance, Smashwords, Barnes & Nobles will use. Mobi is for Amazon. So I'm just going to go with the most used ebook format, which is EPUB. Okay, and then I'm just going to click on OK down here, and that'll convert it into normal EPUB format. And now I can have a look, and I can just view that. So I say view specific format because I don't want to view the Word document. I want to view the ebook. Okay, so I'm selecting EPUB down here. Click OK, and that'll bring up my ebook viewer. It's even put a little cover on there. Not very good, but there you go. It's not terribly bad either. And then I can just use the navigation controls here to see what this document will look like. So at the moment I've got a headline which stands on its own, which is not good. Now this is actually the raw ebook straight out of the zip file, basically. So you can see this is really bad. This is the section where I've got the paragraph breaks instead of line breaks. So you can see this is pretty dire, and it gives me a really good idea of what is going to be wrong with the ebook if I leave the Word document as it is. So throughout the course, whenever you go through a lecture, apply things, save the documents, then put it through Calibre and see what changes have been made to the ebook, the resulting ebook, as you applied what you've learned.